Leshman Fibro, Kajim Tip Namta Carizol, Cabaret po East Jaintia Hill District, John Cleariat, Tingan Page Canega result. The result of the written examination for the combined grade 4 post held on the 16th November 2024 is hereby declared. The eligible candidate bearing the following roll number are hereby declared to have qualified to appear for the language test stage of the recruitment process. Tikini ke roll number ladap ayang ni, sampai roll number jong ladi, don em hakani kalis. Sedang nong san ku duduk lai sau nhiều san anak kendai arway san lai nhiều san sau arnot sau nai not sau nai way sau san sau po san sau way nunut pra nhiều lai san tebaro candidate kiba qualify na mutakan combine grade 4 jongka is Jaintia Hill Kriat don kumba pra po ar ngut ai te sampai iro nomor jong lade bat sakan mau bat pen create senam ta ka language test mo. Eligible candidates are to appear for the language test, which will be held on the 10th of April, 10 April, at Jaintia Eastern College. Candidates are requested to check the district website from time to time. Only candidates who duly qualified the written examination, language test, and personal interview shall be eligible for appointment. Okay. Second mau gitu gibala like to namtakan exam and check urun nombal jong lade udon em ha kaneka eligible ma qualified namtaka language test. Tangin ay jung tip. Congratulations.